The Great Australian Inland Sea. In 1831, Thomas Maslin was compiling a book named The Friend of Australia, discussing tactics on how best to approach exploration of this vast continent. In this book, he provides a map which is, to put it politely, a bit wrong. The map shows Australia with a huge river delta covering almost the whole length of the continent, splitting it in two. To the north, Australindia, and to the south, Anglicania. In reality, all that exists where this river supposedly lies is sand. So how did Thomas Maslin get his map so fundamentally wrong? The Macquarie River and most of the Murray-Darling Basin flows northwest, counterintuitively away from the sea. The Danube River had a drainage basin spanning 19 modern European countries. The Mississippi had a drainage basin spanning over 20 US states. Maslin's native India was awash with huge rivers. The belief that there must be a large river on Australia was not an outrageous one. In fact, its absence would go against all of European understanding at the time. Maslin was writing at a time when there was a debate over whether there was a huge river somewhere on the continent. He thought that the discovery of the Murray-Darling Basin flowing northwest had solved this debate. There must be a huge inland stream which pulled the water from these mountains to the west coast, exiting to the Indian Ocean by Roebuck Bay. This conclusion was probably also fed by the cultural desire for a huge amount of fertile farming land as a huge incentive for colonists and explorers alike. In reality, the basin drained into the Darling River, which then left the continent to the south in Adelaide. Others have tried to find similar sources, most notably Lake Disappointment. Streams leading to it were hoped to be freshwater, but it was found instead to be a saltwater lake. By the end of the 19th century, Australia's dead heart was a begrudgingly accepted fact.